Hello everyone. So we are out here in my backyard in my garden, my little homemade garden, and what we're about to do is we're about to cut the sweet potato plant right here.
Potatoes right here. Did the sweet potato grow yet?
Right. No, not sweet potato plant. I'm sorry. The potato plant. So without further ado, I'm gonna cut this off, and now when I cut this off, you and Layla gonna turn it over.
Okay.
All right, hold on. All right, ready? Now we probably should have waited until it like all the way died, but it'll be all right. It's really dead now. Really. It is.
It turned into just like a leaf.
Yeah, the leaves are dying. Okay, children?
Mhm. Nana.
All right, Nana.
Put your feet up there so you Mom, help us! Oh, I see a potato! Yeah! It's a potato! Potato!
You gotta keep going, Layla.
No, don't just drop it. It's two more potatoes.
Layla, come on. You gotta keep doing it. Help Nana pour the sides.
Oh, what is that? What?
Come on.
Oh,
Keep
it's
doing.
dirt.
Look, y'all.
What?
Come on.
Show them.
Keep going.
Nana, come on. What you doing? It's dirt getting on my... There we go. There we go.
Oh, you got it on my foot, girl. Ooh, look, y'all.
What?
Get it. Get the potatoes.
No,
Dump the rest of the soil out.
Yeah, what you got? There might be still more. Yeah, it is more. See?
All right. Come on.
We gotta get the
Dig the potatoes out. Put them on the side.
That.
Dig, dig, dig.
Ooh, hey! Ooh, big one. Now put the potatoes over here.
All right, these are all the potatoes, russet potatoes I got out of a 5-gallon grow bag. So I don't think I did bad, or we did bad. The plant was dying. Got some small potatoes in there. I probably could have let it like die completely. I'm talking about everything brown. Probably got a little bit bigger. Look, it's
It's gonna do a little better.
nah.